Hello, my Capricorn. How are you all? And I hope you're doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for tuning in into the video. So this is your reading for 8-8 Lawrence Portal Gate. Okay, so but please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is not going to resonate with each of you. So take according to your situation. Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for Capricorn. Okay, so now let's see what is the meaning of 8-8 Lawrence portal. Okay, so this is the energy of Lord Shiva destroying in order to clear the way for new creation. Okay, so this is also called as Leo gate. It is opening on 28th of July 2021 and it is going to close on 8th August 2021. Okay, this is a time for activation and the DNA activation of the star seeds, light workers, and the twin flames. So this was the meaning of 8-8 Lawrence gate portal. Okay, so now let's see what are the messages for Capricorn. Okay, so now let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for Capricorn, which I need to deliver for 8-8 Lawrence Gate portal, which is important to deliver for them. Please give me important messages. Please give me important messages which I need to deliver for them. Okay. Any other message for Capricorn? Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having peace. Your peace is coming for you here, Capricorn. Okay. You need to clean it up. That means anything which is not serving your highest good, you have to clear out the clutter. Okay, let go anything which is not serving your highest good here, because all that glitters is not gold. Okay, so you need to clean it up. Okay, that's the message I'm receiving here, and you are getting connected to the higher power. Your third eye is getting activated, your crown chakra is getting activated. Maybe you can receive the downloads and the messages from the universe or the angels. Okay, so that can be a possibility here. And come to the edge means that you have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. That's the full energy here which I'm receiving here for you. Beautiful energy. Now let's see what are the messages for you from the tarot. Please give me the messages for Capricorn. What are the tarot messages for Capricorn here? What are the messages for Capricorn? Please give me the important messages. Temperance. You are keeping your temperance, your patience here. The 10 of Cups energy is here. Let me see all energies first for Capricorn. Queen of Swords. Please give me the energy messages for the Tower is here. For Capricorn, please give me the energy message for Capricorn. What is the message you want me to give for Capricorn? Please give me the messages. Please give me the messages here. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I am having 5 of Wands and the 10 of Swords. So there is a lot of competition and heartbreaks and the heartaches which are going on. And you're completing a cycle here, but do not worry at all here. Okay, there is someone who wants to give you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotional fulfillment, and again the Fool energy is here. So you are going to take a leap of faith. Wow, the Sun is here. So yes, you're going to take a leap of faith and you're moving in a forward direction. New happy beginnings are coming for you. Right now you have to keep your patience here. Maybe there is someone with whom you are having 10 of cups, happy family, happy life. But you already know the truth here. You are in your queen of swords energy. You are not emotionally available to this person, but there is someone who is offering you a cup. This is emotional fulfillment, and this is the divine intervention. So divine intervenes in your situation so that you can make the necessary changes which are necessary for you to do in your life. So tower is good actually. Now let me do some kind of clarification, okay, for you. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the help in this clarification for Capricorn. Okay, why there is Queen of Swords here? Maybe this person is not emotionally available to you. That can be a possibility. Maybe you are dealing with an air sign, okay? That can be a possibility, and you love this person, but this person is not emotionally available to you, and you are keeping temperance with this person. You're keeping your patience with this person here. Let me see why there is Queen of Swords for Capricorn. Yeah, see, this is your wish fulfillment here. 9 of Cups, Justice, 10 of Swords, and Page of Pentacle here again. So this is the karmic justice which is going to serve in your case. You are going through with lot of things in your life here, I can say that. But let me, wow, the sun is coming for you definitely. Can you see? There is new happy beginnings which is coming for you. The sun. Why there is Tower here for Capricorn? Please clarify me Tower. Clarify me Tower for Capricorn. Why there is Tower here? Knight of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Hermit. So you are doing your soul searching and you're looking your answers from within yourself, and there is someone who is coming towards you with lot of love. Knight of Cups is someone who is having lot of love, loyalty, caring, okay, very romantic, and they are igniting your passion here, and you are doing your soul searching here. You are working a lot on your pentacles right now. Why there is Ace of Cups here? Clarify me Ace of Cups. Clarify me Ace of Cups here. There is someone who is making a judgment, decision here. Yeah, because the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. There is someone who is making a decision to come towards you, to offer you a Ace of Cups here. Okay, they're making a commitment, they're making a decision, they're taking the decision to come towards you. Okay, why there is 10 of Cups for Capricorn here? Why there is 10 of Cups? This is beautiful. Double Ace of Cups. This can be an Aquarius, the star is here, but sign can be anyone here. Okay, so this is new hopes, new desires which are coming for you. You are working a lot here. You're putting lot of efforts, energy to give your heart to this person here, to create 10 of Cups here, to create happy family, happy life with this person here. Okay, you're putting lot of efforts. Maybe you are someone who is financially stable, grounded, who know how to manage your finances. Okay, you're putting lot of energy, hard work in this relationship, and you want to give the Ace of Cups to this person, and now this is your time to receive Ace of Cups. Now your partner is going to give you Ace of Cups, their love to you, because you're keeping your temperance here. Okay, so this was your clarification, and I love it, because yes, this is beautiful energy. The Ace of Cups is coming towards you here. Okay, let's see more messages for you. Let's see messages from the Chinese reading fortune here. Okay, what are the messages for Capricorn? Please give me the messages for Capricorn. What is the message? Whatever you finding your soul basically, and whatever inner peace you are finding, you are going to find out here. Maybe some of you are going to travel somewhere. Yeah, whatever challenges you are facing right now in your life, they are making you more beautiful, Capricorn. Okay, and you have to work on your inner child, and there is children which is involved in your life here. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one color for you. What is the color you want me to give for Capricorn? Green. Revitalize your nervous system. You can use green color and it will help you out in your nervous system. Okay, so you can use this color green. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what are the messages for you from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. The growth is coming for you definitely. Maybe your heart chakra is getting open up here. Yeah, your prayers are going to be answered. Okay, the prayers are going to answered here. Maybe you are very workaholic. Okay. What are the messages for Capricorn? Any other message? Lot of wisdom is coming for you, and there is balance which is coming for you here. You have to work on your passion here and use your wisdom. Okay, the balance you are seeking, the balance is coming for you, the growth is coming for you here, Capricorn. So that's beautiful here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from Krishna consciousness for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? Please give me the messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? What are the messages? Okay, so you need to stay connected within yourself, within your intuition. Connect with the divine in you. Sit quietly, close your eyes and calm your mind. You will get the answers to all your troubling questions. Okay, whatever answer you are seeking, they are the answers. Answers are there within yourself. Okay, and there is selection. What you choose becomes your destiny. So choose wisely. All that glitter is not gold. Okay, that's why this is here. Make a proper selection for your life. All that glitter is not not gold. Okay, make a proper choice for yourself. Choose wisely. And there is change of place. Continue the journey of life as it comes. Embrace the changes, especially change of place. So maybe you are changing your home. Okay, so change of place is indicated. You are changing your home. That's beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Your third eye chakra is getting activated. 1331 is the recording reading time. That's why you are going to connect with the higher power here. Okay, because your third eye is getting activated here. So this is beautiful. The frequency of third eye chakra, the indigo flower of life, supports our intuition and your inner knowing, our imagination and our psychic powers. So your third eye is getting activated here. Okay, so this is beautiful here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages from the fortune reading card. Definitely the sun is coming for you, Capricorn. This is the new happy beginnings which are coming for you. The light is coming for you. But right now you have to keep your patience. This 8-8 Lionsgate portal is bringing you beautiful things. Okay, a lot of celebration is coming for you. Yeah, celebration, marriage. You are ready to bring new. Many of you are going to get your marriage proposal. The celebrations are coming for you. I told you, this is the Ace of Cups energy. The emotional fulfillment is coming for you. You're going to get your marriage proposal here. If you're waiting for your marriage proposal, now this is the time where you're going to get your marriage proposal. A lot of celebrations are coming for you. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages for Capricorn. Do not lose your hope. Okay, hope is coming. Hope is always there, even if we can't see it. Optimistic expectations can help change a negative situation into a positive one. Maybe you can see a lot of rainbows these days. That can be a possibility, but do not lose hope, Capricorns. Okay, so this is beautiful, a message from the fairies. Thank you, fairies, for giving the messages. Now let's see messages from numerology deck. Listen to the music here. Maybe there is a message for you in music, and music also helps in healing too. So let's see more messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? Wow, you are doing manifestation, and your manifestation is coming true here. There is love, and there is love partnership which is coming for you here. This energy is bringing you love and love partnership, and there is a karmic completion which you are doing it. Maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 1010. Okay, there is a karmic completion. You are completing a karmic cycle here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from spell casting oracle deck. What are the messages for Capricorns? Please give me the messages which are important to deliver. What are the messages for Capricorn? Justice will be served in your case here. Okay, the karmic justice is going to served in your case. Okay, wow, 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 wow. Okay, there is lighten your load. So release all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulder here, Capricorns. Okay, and there is a closure which is coming for you. Closure of a cycle, because you're completing a karmic cycle. Closure of a relationship. Okay, that can be a possibility, but some kind of closure is happening here. And yes, definitely peace is coming for you. You're finding peace, and peace is coming for you. Okay, you are having a life purpose, and you have to start working on your life purpose as soon as possible. And there is a reconciliation which is coming here for you. This energy is bringing your reconciliation here. This is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what is the soul lesson which you need to learn. What is the soul lesson which Capricorn needs to learn? What is the soul lesson? Freedom. I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. So that's the soul lesson which you need to learn, that you are having free tools, freedom to create your own happiness. Okay. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Steer Destiny Oracle deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Keep your courage and strength with you. What is the message for Capricorn? What is the message you want me to deliver for Capricorn? Wow, a lot of adventures are coming for you, Capricorn. Capri are also nice name. Yeah, you're going to receive the inner peace. Peace is definitely coming for you. You finding your inner peace. Peace is coming for you here. Okay. Wow. There is a wish fulfillment which is going to come true, and there are a lot of adventures which are coming for you here, Capricorns. Maybe you can see a lot of birds these days, or butterfly, or the waterfalls these days. That can be a possibility here. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Yes, you deserve it. You are the someone who deserve this. Okay, you deserve this. Commitment is coming for you. Wow, I'm going to take it because you deserve it. Wow, can you see how beautiful it is? Yes, you deserve this commitment. There is loving woman, loving man. Maybe that can be a loving woman, okay? But yes, you deserve this. You deserve this commitment here. Commitment is coming for you. Oh wow. I like your reading. I love this. Okay. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what you need to surrender. What is the thing that Capricorn needs to surrender? What is the thing Capricorn needs to surrender? Please let me know. What is the thing they need to surrender? Wow. Okay. Complete your healing, Capricorn. Surrender to complete healing and surrender defensiveness. Okay, you need to surrender your defensiveness and surrender to the complete healing here. Defensiveness is a sign of weakness. To communicate in more empowered ways, stay centered and hear someone out. Then offer a clear non-defensive response. Okay. And there is open fully to the loving, compassionate forces of the universe that supports your physical, emotional and spiritual healing. Okay. So this is the two things which you need to surrender, and that's beautiful. I love it. Okay. So let's see what are the messages from Moonology deck for you. Thank you for giving the messages. There is an end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Okay, there is a tough cycle which you are going through. There is an end of a tough cycle here, which is going to end here. This is beautiful. What is the message for Capricorn? Any other message for Capricorn? See, too many messages. This is definitely a time for healing. You have to complete your healing. And whatever tough cycle you are going through, that is going to end here. Have faith in your dreams. Adjustments are required and your emotions are running high these days. Okay, adjustments are required, your emotions are running high, but have faith in your dreams. Expect powerful change. Okay, 22:11 is the recording reading time. So this was the message here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what are the animal spirit messages for Capricorn. What are the animal spirits message for Capricorn? Please give me the message for Capricorn. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having grasshopper spirit. Take a leap of faith. That's the Fool energy. Okay. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. There is electric L spirit. Bring your ideas to life. Okay. Bring your ideas to life. There is porcupine spirit. Time for a beginner's mind. Okay. And there is Armando spirit. Set up healthy boundaries around yourself, and that's very necessary to set up healthy boundaries. Okay, and take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. So beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the message for you from the angels and ancestors. What are the messages for Capricorn? Okay, I already got the 3 messages for you. There is heart guardian. Love and let yourself be loved. Okay, open up your heart to loved here. You love someone and someone also love you, but you need to open up so that you can receive that love. There is warrior. Be fearless and stand strong. You are a warrior. Okay, you need to be fearless and stay strong, Capricorns. There is white witch. Be the light. Follow your intuitions. Be the light. Remove the darkness by spreading your light of peace, love, happiness. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages. Trust the universe. Okay, trust the universe. What are the messages from the angels? Please give me the messages for the Capricorns. What are the messages for Capricorn? See, again the same message is here. Wow, there is a guardian angel who is there with you. Okay, you are being protected and watched over with by the guardian angel. You are having a protection of a guardian angel. Trust the universe. Okay, you are not alone. There is a guardian angel who is there with you. This is beautiful reading in all zodiac signs, I can say that. And there is harmony and resolution which is coming for you in your life, whether it is in job, career, love, but there is harmony and resolution. Beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the life purpose here. Talk to your angels because you are surrounded by the angels here. Okay, you are having a guardian angel. Instead of worrying, ask for divine guidance. Talk to your angels. Okay, Capricorns, you need to talk to them. Let's see what are the life purpose of Capricorn. Please give me the life purpose of them. You need to talk to them so that you can receive the messages, because there is an guardian angel who is with you. So instead of worrying, you need to ask for the divine guidance here. Okay. Wow. You are an earth angel who was born to protect, nurture and teach about nature and animals. So you can be an environmentalist. Okay, you are an earth angel. You are here to protect the nature and talk about the animals, the nature and how to protect them. That can be your life purpose here. Then there is light and love. See, your purpose is to bring divine healing, light and love to this world. Be the light, because that's your life purpose here, to bring the light and love to the world. So this is beautiful. Then there is flowers. Working with flower, open your heart and bring blessings to others through your life purpose. So you can work with flowers. That can be a life purpose for you, Capricorns. Okay, so these are the life purpose which I'm receiving here. Now let's see what are the emotions. You are feeling very grateful here. You're feeling very grateful, blessed. You're feeling loved. Okay. You're feeling vulnerable. Okay. So you're feeling very grateful. You're feeling blessed. You're saying thank you, universe. Thank you, divine. You're feeling very blessed. You're feeling very much loved, romantic, committed, passionate and intimated here. And you can be feeling vulnerable, defensiveness, unprotected and helpless. So you do not be in this energy, but this is beautiful emotions to be in. Okay, be having grateful and feeling love. So that's beautiful energy. Now let's see what are the signs you are dealing with. What are the signs Capricorn dealing with? What are the signs they are dealing with? What are the signs? Okay. So you can be dealing with air sign Aquarius, Gemini and Libra here. Or you can be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. That can be a possibility. Or you can be dealing with water sign Pisces. Or you can be dealing with an earth sign Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So this was your reading for 8/8 Lions Gate portal, Capricorn. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but these were the beautiful messages which I received for you. Okay, so sending you lots of love and healing light and beautiful happy energies to all my Capricorns who are watching my video. Okay, take care of yourself, and if you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.